Hi students, welcome to my first SQL video. In this class, I am going to discuss about the introduction to structured query language and basic queries. Did you know that over 90% of businesses rely on data to drive their decisions? But raw data is like a puzzle, incomplete without the right tools to assemble it. That's where SQL comes in. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the backbone of business analytics. It's the tool analysts use to interact with databases, pulling, analyzing, and organizing data to uncover valuable insights. From predicting customer behavior in e-commerce to optimizing patient care in healthcare, SQL is a must-have skill across industries. Its versatility makes it essential for business analytics. So, if you are stepping into business analytics or looking to upskill, start with SQL. It's the key to unlocking the potential of data and driving smarter decisions for businesses worldwide. Learn SQL today, your gateway to mastering business analytics. This video will cover Introduction to SQL, Basic concepts of database, SQL sublanguages, Practical examples of basic SQL, Interactive exercise. In Introduction to SQL, we will discuss about what is SQL, its importance, where it is used. In basic concepts, we will discuss about database, table, row and column. In SQL sublanguages, we will introduce DQL, DML, DDL, DCL, TCL. In practical example, I will show you how to write select statements and execute basic queries and the query output. In interactive exercise, you will resolve queries hands-on. Hi students, let's introduce SQL. Structured Query Language. SQL is the standard programming language used for managing and interacting with relational databases. Purpose: SQL allows users to create, retrieve, update, and delete data stored in a structured format. Pronunciation: often pronounced as SQL or SQL. Key features of SQL. SQL is declarative language. Focus on what you want to do, example, retrieve specific data, rather than how to do it. SQL is platform independent. Supported by most database systems, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and SQLite. Why is SQL important? Data-centric world. In today's digital era, organizations generate massive amounts of data daily. SQL plays a pivotal role in managing this data efficiently. Key benefits: efficient data management. SQL makes it easy to query large datasets and get precise results in seconds. Versatility. Works with various relational database management systems, RDBMS. Essential skill. SQL is a must-know for data analysts, software developers, database administrators, and digital marketers. Foundation for data-driven decisions, helps extract meaningful insights from raw data. Where is SQL used? Industry applications. SQL being used in almost all industries like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, education, social media, technical use cases, data analysis, extracting, transforming, and analyzing data for reporting. Example, generating sales reports or visualizations using Power BI with SQL data. Web development. Back-end databases for dynamic websites. Example, querying a blog post's details on a WordPress site. Machine learning and AI. Pre-processing and cleaning data stored in databases. Example, retrieving training datasets for AI models. Digital marketing. Tracking campaign performance and SEO analytics. Example, querying website traffic data or ad performance metrics. Students, now in this section we will discuss about basic concepts of SQL. What can be done by SQL? SQL can retrieve data from a database. SQL can insert records in a database. SQL can update records in a database. SQL can delete records from a database. SQL can create new databases. SQL can create new tables in a database. SQL can create stored procedures in a database. SQL can create views in a database. SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data stored electronically in a structured format, making it easy to manage and retrieve information. Purpose. Acts as a virtual library for storing related data. Example, think of a database as a library where the database is the library. Tables are the books. Rows and columns are the chapters and pages in a book. Types of databases. Relational databases. Data is stored in tables, example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. Non-relational databases. Data is stored in formats like JSON or XML, example, MongoDB. Here are the terms and definitions. Database, a collection of organized data stored electronically. Table, a structured set of data stored in rows and columns. Row, or record, a single entry in a table representing one instance of the entity. Also known as record or tuple. Column, or field, an attribute or property that describes the entity stored in the table. What is a table? A table is a collection of related data organized in a grid of rows and columns within a database. Purpose: tables store data about a specific entity, example, customers, employees, products. Analogy: similar to an Excel spreadsheet. Example, a customer table might look like this. In this section 3, we will discuss about SQL sublanguages. Sublanguages of SQL. SQL is used to interact with the database to perform some specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like creating a table, adding data to tables, dropping the table, modifying the table, set permission for users, etc. SQL commands are mainly categorized into 5 categories: DDL, DQL, DML, DCL, TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Commands are create, drop, alter, truncate. DQL stands for Data Query Language, command is select. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, commands are insert, update, delete, lock, call, explain, plan. DCL stands for Data Control Language, commands are grant, revoke. TCL stands for Transaction Control Language, commands are commit, rollback, savepoint, set transaction, set constraint. In this section 4, we will discuss about basic DQL, data query language, with practical example. In this session we will write basic select statements and will see the output from couple of demo tables like customers, orders and product tables. Here's DQL syntax with select statements. The select statement is used to retrieve data from a database table. Syntax of basic select statement. Select distinct, column 1, column 2, or asterisk for all columns. From table name. Where condition 1 and condition 2 or condition 3. Group by columns. Having condition on aggregate column. Order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. Example 1. Retrieve customer name and city for all records from customer table. Select customer name, city from customers. Example 2. Wildcard, asterisk, to retrieve all columns. Retrieve all columns and all records from customer table. Select asterisk from customers. Example. Retrieve all customers who are living in city Berlin from customer table. Select asterisk from customers where city is equal to Berlin. Example. Retrieve all customers whose postal code is equal to 12209 from customer table. Select asterisk from customers where postal code is equal to 12,209 within single inverted comma. Next example. Notice here, I have written 12,209 without single inverted comma. As postal code is a character column, so it must be enclosed with single inverted comma, else it will throw error. Comparison operators. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Example. Retrieve all orders whose order ID is greater than 10,248 from orders table. Select star from orders where order ID 10248. Logical operator. And combines multiple conditions. Or at least one condition is true. Not negates a condition. Example. Retrieve all orders whose order ID 10248 and customer ID is equal to 76 from orders table. Select star from orders where order ID 10248 and customer ID is equal to 76. More logical operators examples. Retrieve all orders whose order ID is greater than 10248 and customer ID other than 76 from orders table. Select star from orders where order ID is greater than 10248 and not customer ID is equal to 76. Another example. Retrieve all customers whose city may be Berlin or country may be Mexico from customer table. Select star from customers where city is equal to Berlin or country is equal to Mexico. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct, unique values. Example: retrieve unique or distinct cities from customer table. Select distinct city from customers. The order by clause is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. Syntax: select column 1, column 2. From table name. Order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. Example: retrieve all records from products table sorted on price, ascending. Select star from products order by price. Watch the price column has been sorted in ascending order in below output. Students, now in this section 5, I will give you few exercises. Please try these on your own and write me the output in comments section. This will make your understanding much clear. 1. Retrieve all the different postal code from the customers table. 2. Retrieve all customers who are either from country Spain and customer ID is equal to 8 or customer ID is equal to 22. 3. Retrieve all customers who are not staying in Spain. 4. Retrieve all records from products table sorted on price, highest to lowest price. So students, in this video you learned well about the basics of SQL. Please subscribe, like and share this channel for more videos. In next video, I am going to teach you SQL in more depth with live environment.